Hey everyone, welcome back to Hello Helper. Today I will show you a simple but super useful trick how to change your Google Doc to landscape mode in just a few clicks. Whether you are working on presentations, white tables or a creative project, landscape mode can make your document look much better. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Docs. So this is my browser and this is my address bar. Here we are going to search Google Docs and we get this URL. Here you can select blank document or open an existing file which is available here. If you already have a document, you can switch it to landscape mode without losing any content. So we're simply going to click here on this class notes. This is a template and here we want to change this landscape mode to portrait mode. So what we will do, click on file menu which is available on left hand top. You simply click on it and then click page setup. So here you can see that page setup. In the page setup pop-up window, look for orientation option. Here you can see that this is already selected portrait. You simply click on this landscape, and if you want to change the margin, then you can use as per your requirement. You can change it or you can leave it. Once you switch to landscape, the entire page width increases perfect to white tables, images and designs creative documents. We simply click on this OK button and friend, you can see that all the pages are converted into landscape. And that's it. Now you know how to switch your Google Docs to landscape mode easily. If this video helped you, smash the like button, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials and drop a comment if you have any questions and query. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.